Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions for Dow Jones in Tech 100 and let's start the analysis. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment friends. That is what is all I need, and I need your prayers also. Just struggling with the fever since last couple of days and possibly maybe symptoms of COVID, but let's see how it goes. And if I do not post a video tomorrow, please forgive me for that. So let's start the analysis. And looking at this, the Tech 100 is right now trading at around 13672 and Dow Jones is trading at around 34900 levels. As I shared, the Tech 100 could see a high of at max 13850, which was a possibility. Today it achieved 13760 and since then the candle is red. If you recall my yesterday's analysis. Now looking at this, see, this is the weekly chart, and on a weekly chart the candle is already red. As I had shared that we might see a red candle and it might go till these levels, possibly 13400, if till the time it is below 13850. So once again the same, I reiterate for the day also, 13750 looks good resistance for the day. If it crosses 13750, we will be heading towards. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. So see why I am saying 13750. Looking at this, the candle will turn green after 13750, and once it turns green, we have a target of 13850. It will continue this same momentum which it carried. So looking also here, see, we have a double bottom available, twin bottom available, where we could expect that there is some sort of a reversal happening, but we have to be watchful of this 13750 level. So only till the time it is below 13750, we could expect it to head towards 13620. I will be coming to the levels, how far it could go. It could go till 13600 levels, and once it is below 13600, we could expect 13520 levels. So yes, after 13750, my target will totally reverse towards 13850. We will be looking forward to similar range and similar target, similar body size, and it will head towards 13850 levels possibly. Now look at these 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is see this, where the low could be the low on a 4-hour chart. It is seen the previous two candle on a lower lows. So the lows lie at around 13620 levels for this candle, and it is trading around this zone at itself, 13682, 13620. It might trade in this zone, but yes, I will be watchful of the next candle. It might close, the Tech 100 this candle might close around these levels only at around 13670-80 levels, and I will be watchful of the next candle. And the next candle we could expect the similar movement from like what we have seen, around 80 points, and if it closes here, so we might close at around 13600. So the target for me below 13750 we will be heading. Let's look at also at the indicators. What do the indicators say before I provide you the numbers? Let's look at the indicators. So on a daily chart, it has got a good support, a good resistance to move forward at 13760. After that, it will head towards 138. The movement is quite big. It could go till 1382830, or rather I will say 13850 levels, and then it will go close to 14,000 levels if it crosses this levels. On the downside, we are having a good support at 13600 and then towards 13500 levels. Now let's look at the indicators. See, R1 is I will say bearish, and MACD lines are also in a bearish, in a sell zone on a daily chart, and rest other indicators. RSI is comfortable. RSI is not indicating anything, any drop or rise, but yet the stochastic is indicating that there is some bullishness, and let's be watchful of this curve. If this black line again curves down and the red line passes by, we might see a good drop again towards 13,400 and 200 levels this week. Let's be watchful of that. Now let me write down the levels which we could expect. So I will be expecting 13,750 to 13,600 levels tonight. This is going to be my trading range for the day. After 13,750, if it crosses 13,750 and it sustains, we will be heading towards 13,850 levels, and if it breaks 13,600, we will head towards 13,520 levels. However, the primary trading range is what I expect is 13,750 to 13,600 levels. So be watchful of this and trade accordingly. Now let's move towards Dow Jones, and Dow Jones is right now is trading at around 34,900, close to 34,900 levels. If you look at the daily charts, the candle is quite bullish, and till the time it is about 34,800, it will always head towards 34,970 levels. Close to that, possibly 34,970 is something which we could expect if till the time it trades above 34,800. See, the previous candle was somewhere at 34,550 to around 34,800, almost 300 points. Today we could expect the first break at around 34,970, and then once it crosses 34,970, sky is the limit, and it will be crossing past 35,000 towards 35,080 levels. So possibly this could happen, but yes, once it breaks 35,800, you can go short, and we could head directly towards 34,700 and below levels, which we are watchful of. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. The weekly candle is turning green, and only possibility, as I said, is if it breaks below 34,800, then only you can expect to go short. Now looking at the 4-hour chart, on a 4-hour chart, see these two candles consistently, they have previous two candles I am talking about, so they have created higher highs and higher lows. So after this candle is turning to be green, and it has already achieved a high at around 34,917. Possibly now this is it is trying to break out of this zone, so it will try to break out possibly at 34,950 plus levels also, and that is why I say 34,970 is something which we could expect. However, if it goes below 34,860, rather I will say 34,870 levels, if it breaks, then we could again head towards 34,800 levels. Close to 34,800 we will be heading towards, and yes, if it breaks 34,920, we will be again heading towards 34,970 and 34,100 levels. So this is just a preliminary analysis, and let's have a look at what does the charts are indicating. On a weekly charts we have seen daily charts also, and we are looking at the 4-hour charts. Now let's have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators are indicating? So looking at the daily charts, and right now Dow Jones is trading above everything. We could expect only a good support only at around 34,580 levels. If it drops, on the upside a good resistance is only available at around 34,400 levels on a daily charts. Let's have a look whether we could surpass these levels at around 34,970 or not. Once 34,970 is taken, I will be expecting 35,080 levels. Possibly we could achieve that. Now let's have a look at the Arun is abrupt, and it is in a strongly bullish zone. See, this is the gap is widening. Looking at the MACD lines are divergent. The crossover has recently happened, as we saw in the weekly analysis also. Let's see how far this could go. It is bullish as of now. RSI is comfortable. I will not touch upon other indicators. See, RSI is right now in a overbought position. So from here, the curve of this RSI is very flat. So let's be watchful of this today's movement. And in fact, you see the stochastic is turning flat till now, and it is already in a overbought position. So from here, upward movement, I think we could find a very limited upward movement. If it does, 34,970 could be the high, and below that 34,800 is the limit, and after that if it breaks 34,800, we will be again heading towards 34,700 levels. So let me write down the level for you. What I am looking forward to is I am looking forward to a range of 34,700 to 34,970. In between we have a good support at 34,800. So be watchful. We could still trade between these levels at 34,800 to 34,970. Once 34,970 is taken, I will expect 35,080 levels. We could achieve this as well. And once 34,800 is taken, we could go towards 34,700. Till the time it is between 34,800 to 970, you can enjoy the swings. Yes, entering a short at around 34,970 could be possible, but be watchful of the entry point. It matters a lot, and then only please take a position accordingly. So this is all from my side for Dow Jones and Tech 100. Please, if you like my effort, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. Thank you very much. Have a great day.